This is what will happen to your skin when you apply lemon juice and milk mixed together with other ingredients on your skin, and you'll be shocked. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what will happen to your skin when you mix lemon juice and milk, applying it on your face or applying it on your skin. You see what will happen. In case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing if you love health tips, if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. I also share health tips on this channel, so just kindly check it out for yourself, and if you try any of them, it's going to work for you. All right, so I'm going to show you some few things to mix together if you want to have a uniform skin. If you want your skin to be very clear, brighter and glowing, just mix these ingredients together, but you have to apply it at night. Yes, applying it at night is because of one of the ingredients, lemon juice. So to have a smooth uniform skin that glows, to control aging signs, you have to get lemon. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, citric acid, that helps to take care of your skin by ensuring your skin is flawless. It brightens your skin. It makes you look younger. It takes care of pigmentations, dark patches, and other skin problems. But we're making use of it in this remedy to brighten your skin. Yes, lemon contains natural brightener that will help to make sure your skin is brighter and glowing. Lemon juice is also very good for those that have oily skin. If you have oily face, oily skin, just get some drops of lemon juice, add it into your treatment, and you're all good. Then the bark of orange, the lemon zest or the lemon peel, is very anti-aging. It helps to firm the skin, get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, plump your skin, and keep your skin looking flawless. So any of them can work. Either you make use of the juice or you make use of the orange peel powder. They both work. So the next one I added is cornstarch. Okay, cornstarch possesses some anti-aging properties that helps to delay aging signs by firming your skin. It tightens your skin if you have loose skin. It makes your skin to look younger always. So I'm going to show you the quantity to add into this treatment to get perfect results. When people see you, they will not believe that you are older. They will think you are in your 20s. That is because it works. So the next one I added is milk powder. Yes, you have to get milk powder, but in case you don't have milk powder, you can make use of full cream milk, like liquid milk but full cream. Milk contains lactic acid that helps greatly to brighten your skin. It helps also to firm your skin. It keeps your skin youthful. It also makes your skin smoother, softer, rejuvenates your skin, and keeping it looking flawless. So try to get milk. It's very important in this treatment. Like the title says, lemon and milk mixed together. You won't believe it. So the next one I added is yogurt. Yogurt is also another ingredient that you can add into your beauty treatment to take care of your skin. It plumps the skin. It makes skin supple. It delays signs of aging because it possesses anti-aging formulas, anti-aging properties that helps to delay aging signs. Applying it on your skin, you just end up feeding your skin with the right nutrients to keep your skin healthy. So all these 4 ingredients are what you need to take care of your skin, to make sure your skin is looking beautiful with no makeup, to make sure you are looking younger than your age. So these are the measurements. I added 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Then I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Yes, cornstarch or corn powder, anyone. Then I added yogurt, 1 tablespoon. Then for lemon juice, I added ½ tablespoon. But if you want to increase the quantity, like you want to get more brighter skin, you can increase the quantity of your lemon juice, and you're all good. So all these ingredients are all here, okay, in the right measurements, the right amount to give your skin a good result. So after mixing it, if your treatment is thick, all you have to do is just to add more of yogurt or lemon juice. If your treatment is watery, just increase the quantity of milk powder or cornstarch to thicken it, to make it form a thick paste. So you have to mix properly to ensure your treatment comes out very well, to make it in a smooth paste. So after that, you have to wash off all makeups and dust. Remove all dust and makeup so that this treatment will be able to penetrate well and work better. When you make use of natural treatments on your skin, you feed your skin with the right thing, like you'll be sure of 100% organic. So try to get original ingredients so that you not end up feeding your skin with something that is not right. So I have beauty line, very effective. I have skincare products for all skin types, all skin complexion. Some people have been patronizing and they are seeing good results, like referring me to others as well. If you need any product from me, yes, just contact through that WhatsApp and I'm going to give you the best. Purely natural, safe for all skin types, safe for you. No blemishes, no side effects, no stretch marks, no green vein, no white patches and all that. All right, so I'm going to go right now to remove all makeup. Of course, I don't have makeup on my skin, so just ensure you remove all makeups, wash your skin so that this treatment will have a space to penetrate and work better. So I'm going to go right now to apply it on my skin right now. So after applying this treatment on your skin, you have to leave it for some time, for about 20 minutes or above. But in case you are in a hurry, you can just leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. So you feel the tightening effect as it's getting dry. And that is to show you that it's time to wash it out, okay? So leave it on for the right time, wash it out, and I'm going to do so and come back. And you see how my skin will appear so clear, so glowing from the first use. So when you rinse it out, you notice that your skin will look smoother, just like milk. Your skin will appear smooth, fresh, and that is because you added yogurt, you added milk, and also cornstarch. They are the reason for that smoothness, that attractive look. Imagine when you make use of it every day or make use of it 3 times a week, because this treatment should be applied 3 times a week to get maximum effect. So this is something that will keep your skin plump, like your skin will look supple, younger and beautiful. So apply this treatment 3 times weekly or every day for best results. So if you have sunburn, stay away from using this treatment at night, okay? Or if you want to prevent sunburn, you don't want sunburn, do not apply this treatment daytime. Use this treatment only at night because of the lemon juice. Or if you want to apply during the day, do not add lemon juice, and in that case it will not brighten you very well. It will just be mild, okay? You can just replace lemon juice to turmeric if you want to brighten. So go on and apply this treatment 3 times weekly or every day, and you love the result. Like, you really love the results. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.